Sometimes my face gets red and hot. I wanna stomp and scream a lot. My hands turn into tight little balls and anger bounces off the walls. But wait, that whisper in my ear, that's just Shaitan trying to interfere. He wants to blow on a tiny spark and leave my happy heart in the dark.
But I've got a secret, I know what to do to send that Shaitan running from you. I take a deep breath and I say it clear, the most powerful words that he fears to hear.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaytan, the cursed one.
And just like that,
whoosh, he's gone.
if the angry feeling is still in my head, I remember what the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said.
If you are standing up, sit right down, change your place and drop that frown.
And if the fire is still burning inside,
go find where the cool water resides.
Turn on the tap, let the water flow.
It's time for al-wudu to make you glow.
Wash, wash the hands so clean,
cooling down the anger that was seen.
Rinse the mouth and splash the face.
Peace comes back and takes its place.
Water puts out fire, it's plain to see.
And Allah's blessings wash over me. Yes, I've got a secret, I know what to do to send that Shaitan running from you. I take a deep breath and I say it clear, the most powerful words that he fears to hear.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
And just like that, whoosh, he's gone.
My heart is calm, my mind is still.
I choose kindness
by Allah's will.
No more screaming,
no more mad,
just a happy Muslim,
peaceful and glad.
Alhamdulillah,
for the quiet mind,
leaving the angry whispers far behind.
Breathe in,
breathe out.
Alhamdulillah.